Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be demonstrating how to use data extracts in SharpCloud. Data extracts allow a user to extract specific data from the story into a format acceptable by external database, websites, or other applications. In order to access data extracts, navigate to the drop-down next to Story and select Data Extracts. Here you can create a new data extract and give it a name. Now that you've created the shell of your data extract, you can map your report. In this case, I want to pull items, not relationships. I'll need to select the categories for which I want to pull my data from. In this case, let's bring the whole story out. After I choose my categories, I'll then need to choose my attributes. Now that I've chosen my attributes, you can see that SharpCloud is once more asking whether or not I'd like to include the attribute in my extract. It's providing the name of the source column, and by default, that will be the name of the column in the extract, although you are able to change the name of the column for the extract in this column here. You can choose before you pull your information out if you'd like to filter, maybe on a certain impact, for example, high, medium, or low. But in this case, I want to pull everything out, so I'm not going to use my filter. Now that I can see the resulting table of data I'm going to pull out, I can finally choose my data extract format, which can be either JSON, Excel, CSV, HTML, or XML. And when I'm satisfied with my extract, I simply copy the URL and paste it and see the resulting extract. Further security in the form of access tokens allows users to ensure their data is only accessible via the correct link. I'm able to create my access token, give it a name, and ultimately copy and use it for my extract. That's how you go about using data extracts in SharpCloud. For additional information, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.